Hello everyone, I am Shivani from Pacorr Testing Instrument. Have you ever wondered how strong your bottles really are? In the packaging industry, bottle durability is crucial to avoid breakage, leakage and customer complaints. That's why a bottle top load tester is must have. Let's find out why it's essential for every packaging business. Imagine this, you have shipped a large order of bottle products, but some bottles collapses under pressure. This leads to damaged products, increased material wastage, high returns and placement costs, loss of brand trust. Weak bottles can't withstand stacking, transportation and storage conditions, resulting in financial losses for manufacturers and brands. A bottle top load tester is a specially designed machine that applies force on a bottle's top surface to check how much load it can bear before deforming or collapsing. First, prevent product failure by ensuring bottles can withstand stacking pressure. Second, enhances packaging strength, making sure bottles remain intact during transportation. Third, optimizes material usage, reduces plastic while maintaining strength. And fourth, ensures compliance with industry standards like ASTM and ISO. How it works using a bottle top load tester is simple and efficient. Step 1, place the bottle on the platform. Step 2, apply and gradually increasing force from the top. Step 3, the machine records the force at which the bottle starts deforming or collapses. With the data, manufacturers can adjust bottle design, improve strength and reduce plastic waste. A bottle top load tester is not just a testing tool, it's an investment in quality and reliability. It helps packaging businesses reduce bottle failures during shipping and handling, improve production efficiency by detecting weak bottles early, ensure consistent product quality leading to satisfy customers, save cost by optimizing material usage and reducing wastage. For brands and manufacturers, strong bottles mean fewer complaints, better customer experience and a stronger market reputation. If you are in the packaging industry, investing in the bottle top load tester is a smart move for better product quality, cost savings and customer trust. Ensure your bottles meet industry standards. Get the best top load tester today from Pacorr.com, your trusted testing partner.